In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a box shadow to a contact form when using Elementor. Before starting this tutorial, you only need to install two plugins named Contact Form 7 plugin for creating contact forms and the Elementor Page Builder plugin. I've already installed and activated them, but if you need help installing and configuring the Contact Form 7 plugin, or if you want to learn how to create a contact form using the plugin, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. As you can see, I've already created a contact form here using the Contact Form 7 plugin. We'll add a box shadow to this contact form. Simply click on Edit with the Elementor link on the top. As I've embedded this form in a column, simply move to the column settings like this. Under the Style tab, you can first configure the background settings to give this contact form a better customized look for your website. You can select normal, or on hover, the background color should be changed. You can see the color picker that you're using to set the background color as per your requirement. You can see the change here. Moving next to border settings, you can set the border as per your need. Once done, you can see an option here to add a box shadow. Simply click on the respective pen icon and you can see some relative settings. You can even set the shadow position. Once everything is done, you can simply update the page and save the changes. This is how easy it is to add the box shadow to a contact form when using Elementor as a page builder. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.